Alright, so it's Norbie Nexus coming out here with Greg from the StorageIO group, and just kind of resisting to a couple more tests. So once again, we've got the Windows 7 virtual desktop running from Minneapolis. One thing that in the iPad is you can't run Flash on here. That's kind of a problem for a lot of people. In this case, using VMware View, I'm bringing up Greg's StorageIO page. He's got some really neat video resources that I want to check out. Right here, right there, is a little link to an Intel site that has a video to play off of Flash. Let's give it a shot. Let's see if the plugin actually works with the browser. Again, running Windows 7 via VMware View and PocketCloud over GoGo. And I'm pretty sure this won't be real robust and usable, but it's sort of like the Wright brothers. You know, this is like conceptual flying. Let's see if this actually works. So, Keith, with me doing my backups right now to Mosey, do you think that's slowing you down? It could be. Better asset test actually if we are doing that. Okay, one of the best things that
as you mentioned, is that we're waiting for this. We are on a go-go. We are up in the plane, and currently
alright, well, as you can see, it's either hung or your back has been killing this thing. But it got to a certain point, and it could be potentially caching up in the back, too.
It could be, because I'm seeing the backup slowing up, speeding down, slowing up, speeding down. Actually, I think we've got somebody twittering right next to you as well.
Nice.
So with all these DMC people coming back from the DMC world on this plane, we may be bandwidth constrained.
It could be. You want to pause your backup, see if that helps? Exactly the world's most robust video.
But now,
right?
Keith, if Flash weren't running at all, would you have gotten even that far?
No, that's kind of like the point of if you could speed this up with PC over IP rather than RDP, or might optimize your client. You know, you might be able to actually get this running fast. Or test this back on a LAN connection or some kind of higher speed Wi-Fi. See if Flash actually will run somewhat fast for VM.
Now, because we're running at 500 miles an hour, are we running into like latency issues?
Well, this is like the acid test latency right here.
But now, if we going east to west versus west to east, would we have any issues? Are the bits flying faster one way versus the other?
I don't think there's aerodynamics.
I mean, if we're going westbound, are we kind of like deduping the whole network process by getting there before we left?
Could be.
I think that'd be a pretty heavy marketing spin.
Alright, so I think we've shown that we can get Flash to work.
Gee, that edge showed 4, it went to 6, and now it's up to 12. It doesn't look like it's buffering or that it's caching.
Yep. So, we'll pause this, and at this point we'll conclude the test. Show that Flash does work, even at GoGo. Not really robust, but it does work, and it's